Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KTOV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways here just to establish some context. But very nice move today, especially when you think about that just on Tuesday, the price was all the way down here. Now the price has worked its way all the way up to that point. So yeah, any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a good move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 80 cents. Why is 80 cents so important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation purposes, let's say that the price comes down here to 80 and then just continues on down. What would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power. Now, to be fair, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, the difference being behaves in that manner before starting to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And then again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 80 cents. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, if this upwards move is going to continue, main level of resistance to watch very closely now, going to be right up there at 95 cents. You can see that not only was 95 cents a problem today, but you go back into the relatively recent history and you can see it also presented a problem right there. So no doubt about it, 95 cents, certainly going to be the public enemy number one headed into Thursday. But all in all, very nice movement today, very nice bounce. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.